Do you want to ask any questions regarding must? Anyone else would like to ask any questions regarding must? Yes. Hello. Anyone would like to ask any questions regarding must? Please unmute yourself, all of you. Unmute faster, 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 faster. Ms. Chaitali, Mr. Guddu, Mr. Pradeep, Mr. Shivdas. Yes, continue. Any questions to anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. I want to make sentences once again with must so I can the next one. Okay, can you please start sentences with must? Start sentences with must. I must, you must, he must, she must, it must, we must, you must, they must. Can you please start sentences with must?
I must go to the office. Must I go to the office? I mustn't go to the office.
Very good. I must go to the office. Must I go to the office? I mustn't go to the office. Next. Next.
I must do the voting. Must I do the voting? I mustn't do the voting.
Very good. Yes, Chaitali, Shivdas, Guddu, Karthik.
I must get the job. Must I get the job? I mustn't get the job.
Very good. I must get the job. Next.
I must stay at home. Must I stay at home? I mustn't stay at home.
Yes, Pradeep. Ankit. Guddu. Must. Yes.
सर
Yes.
इसका वीडियो अपलोड नहीं हुआ है क्या?
हुआ है ना, मैंने किया ना, इसका वीडियो अपलोड किया ना मैंने. कब देखा था मैम? But I have uploaded the video. See? इसका मैंने वीडियो अपलोड किया ना. मैंने वीडियो अपलोड किया मैम इसका. मैंने भी चेक किया था परसों के दिन ही. तो जब मैंने चेक किया था तो मैम ने अपलोड कर दिया था वहां पर वीडियो. सी दिख रहा है आपको? मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी.
Yes sir, I will check.
1 2 3 can, could, may, should and must. Okay?
Okay sir.
Yeah. All right guys, please make sentences now. Must.
I must do lunch. Must I do lunch? I mustn't do lunch.
Very good. Next. Faster and faster. Ankit, Shivdas, Karthik, Jyotsna ma'am.
I must drinking pure water. Must I drinking pure water? I mustn't drinking pure water.
Wrong. I must drink. Must I drink? I mustn't drink. Next.
I must wear mask. Must I wear mask? I mustn't wear mask.
You wear a mask. Yes, continue.
They must maintain the social distance. Must they maintain the social distance? They mustn't maintain the social distance.
Very good. Mustn't.
Mustn't.
Very good. Continue. Must. आज आप लोग सेंटेंस नहीं बना रहे.
I must watch the movie. Must I watch the movie? I mustn't watch the movie.
Very good. Next.
We must follow the guidelines. Must we follow the guidelines? We mustn't follow the guidelines.
Next.
I must go to the college. Must I go to the college? I mustn't go to the college.
Very good. Next. Yes, next.
I must join a class. Must I join a class? I mustn't join a class.
Very good. Next.
I must practice at home. Must I practice at home? I mustn't practice at home.
Very good. Next.
I must attend the lecture. Must I attend the lecture? I mustn't attend the lecture.
Very good. Next. Next.
I must drive a car. Must I drive a car? I mustn't drive a car.
Very good. Next. Yes, continue. Continue, ma'am. Miss
I
Chaitali,
must
ma'am.
do my work. Must I do my work? I mustn't do my work.
Very good. Yes.
We must follow the rules. Must I follow the rules? We must follow the rules.
We mustn't follow the rule. Next. Yes.
I must remember the rules. Must I remember the rules? I mustn't remember the rules.
Very good. Next.
I must follow the diet. I must follow the diet plan. Must I diet? Must I follow the diet plan? I mustn't follow the diet plan.
Very good. Can you please make sentence with he, she, it, you, we, they? Miss Chaitali, make sentences. Mr. Pradeep. Ma'am.
They must enjoy holidays. Must they enjoy holidays? They mustn't enjoy holidays.
Very good. Next.
They must go for a trekking. Must they go for a trekking? They mustn't go for a trekking.
Next.
He
Next.
must go to the gym. Must he go to the gym? He mustn't go to the gym.
Very good. Next. Next.
He must follow the instruction. Must he follow the instruction? He mustn't follow the instruction.
Instructions. Very good. Next.
It must fly in the sky. Must it fly in the sky? It mustn't fly in the sky.
Very good. Next. Yes. You
I
must
must
obey your
play.
elders.
He must play daily cricket. Must he play daily cricket? He mustn't play daily cricket.
Very good. Can you please take these words and make sentences? Must. Yes.
He must handle the problem. Must he handle the problem? He mustn't handle the problem.
Problem. Good. Yes, Miss Chaitali, Mr. Shivdas, Mr. Pradeep. Ma'am.
We must inform our parents. Must we inform our parents? We mustn't inform our parents.
Very good. Next. Yes.
We must increase the production. Must we increase the production? We mustn't increase the production.
Very good. Next.
We must know our limits. Must we
Must
know
know
your limits? We mustn't know your limits.
our limits. Next. Next.
I must neglect the negative things. Must I neglect the negative things? I mustn't neglect the negative things.
Good. Next.
He must leave now. Must he leave now? He mustn't leave now.
Very good. Next. Yes.
I must hand over my charge. Must I hand over my charge? I mustn't hand over my charge.
Very good. Yes, must. Miss Chaitali. Shivdas.
I must limit my smartphone usage. Must I limit my smartphone usage? I mustn't limit my smartphone usage.
Very good.
They must invest in
He
the share
must
market. Must they invest in the share market? They mustn't invest in the share market.
Very good. Next.
She must invite the relatives. Must she invite the relatives? She mustn't invite the relatives.
Very good. Next.
We
He
must
must
follow.
continue.
We must
Yeah.
follow the public rules. Must we follow the public rules? We mustn't follow the public rules.
Very good. Next.
He must guide the employee. Must he guide the employee? He mustn't guide the employee.
Very good. Next.
We must increase our vocabulary. Must we increase our vocabulary? We mustn't increase our vocabulary.
Very good. Next.
We
You
must
must
grant the
inform your
permission.
manager. Must you inform your manager? You mustn't inform your manager.
Very good. Yes, Shivdas.
We must grant the permission. Must we grant the permission? We mustn't grant the permission.
Very good. Anyone else?
They must look ahead. Must they look ahead? They mustn't look ahead.
Very good. Yes. Okay. Now today's topic is what? Have to. Okay. Next topic is what? Have to. Now when do we use have to? When do we use have to?
Obligation.
Yes. Correct. We use have to for obligation. Point number 1. Obligation का मतलब होता है कर्तव्य, फर्ज. मराठी में क्या बोलते हैं उसको? कर्तव्य बोलते हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So have to we are using for obligation. मतलब म्हणजे आपल्याला करावेच लागेल. कुछ भी रहने तो अपने को करना ही पड़ेगा. That's what have to. Have to we are using for obligation. Means what? It is like boss. It is like 3 star. It is like boss. We have to do it. हमको करना ही पड़ेगा. We don't have the choice. We have to do it. That's what have to we are using for obligation. For example, now rule is there. I, you, we, they. I, you, we, they. Have to. Next, he, she, and it. He, she, it. Yes, he, she, it.
Has to.
Correct. Exactly. Very good. I, you, we, they have to, and he, she, it has to. Remember this. Okay. I, you, we, they have to, and he, she, it has to. Meaning is same. Same meaning. Okay, Guddu? The meaning is absolutely same. Have to we are using for obligation. So have to or has to, both are the same. All right. Have to or has to, both are the same. We are using for obligation. It is like boss, 3 star. For example, I have to. मुझे करना ही पड़ेगा. I have to study hard. मुझे study hard करना ही पड़ेगा. Means what? I don't have any choice. I have to do it. Next one. You have to. Yes, any good sentence?
You have to practice at home.
You have
Very
to
good. You have to pay the fee. Pay करना ही पड़ेगा. We have to practice at home. Practice घर पे करना ही पड़ेगा. We have to practice. Next, they have to. Yes, they have to. They have to. Yes,
They have to know the guidelines.
they have to know the guidelines. उनको जानना ही पड़ेगा गाइडलाइंस के बारे में. Next one, he. He के साथ में क्या आएगा? We are going to use a he.
has to.
Has to.
Correct. Has to. He have to. त्याला करावेच लागेल. He has to. So he has to. Make a sentence. He has to.
Wear a mask.
He,
Okay, he has to wear a mask. Okay, next. She has to.
She has to study. Cook daily.
She has,
Cook daily.
she has to cook daily. Next, it has to. Karthik. Shivdas.
It has to fly in the sky.
It has to fly in the sky. It has to fly in the sky. आज आप लोग मुझे सब ऐसे एकदम बुझे बुझे लग रहे हैं यार, एकदम ऐसे कि यार आओ का चला मी आलो क्लासला शिकवा मला चला. Yes. Shall I tell you one story? short
Yes,
story?
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That story will teach you many things and it will give you great charms of motivation. One day what happened, there was a man and he was going and suddenly his car got broken down. Uski car खराब हो गई and he was in quite tension. Then he called the mechanic and the mechanic was repairing the car. वो mechanic car को repair कर रहा था and he was standing nearby the car and there was a house. Small house was there and just in front of the house there was a old man. That old man was sitting there in front of the house and in front of him there were some birds and those birds were what? Chickens. वो जो ओल्ड मैन बैठा था ना बाहर घर के उसके सामने कुछ मुर्गी के बच्चे थे. Amongst them there was the child, there was the bird, baby bird of eagle. Eagle bird was there, baby eagle was there and the same baby eagle was eating with the chickens. वो जो chickens वहां पर खेल रहे थे ना उनके साथ में ईगल भी का एक बच्चा था वो भी खेल रहा था. The man was completely shocked. Oh my god, oh my god, ये क्या कर रहा है ईगल का बच्चा? मीन्स व्हाट? ईगल कभी आप लोगों ने देखा है कि जमीन पे बैठता है?
No, sir.
ईगल कहाँ रहता है? अप हाई इन द स्काई. यस नो?
Yes.
Yes,
ईगल
sir.
कभी भी जमीन पे नहीं आता जल्दी से. ईगल यू विल फाइंड देयर अप हाई इन द स्काई. बट द मैन वाज कंप्लीटली शॉक्ड. अरे यार, ईगल का बेबी नीचे जमीन के ऊपर मुर्गी के बच्चे के साथ में खेल रहा है. द मैन वाज कंप्लीटली शॉक्ड. द मैन वाज कंप्लीटली शॉक्ड. लाइक वो मैन शॉक्ड हो गया एकदम. ओ माय गॉड, ये क्या हुआ? सो द मैन केम टू द ओल्ड मैन. वो जो आदमी था कार वाला, he came to the old man and he asked him, this is the eagle boy, eagle baby, right? The man said yes, it is an eagle baby. So the man asked him, can I from where did you take this baby? He said that actually I found it in a jungle. It was completely collapsed and I got it home and I started feeding that eagle baby with that chickens. So the man requested him, can I take this eagle baby to my home? That man, he requested that old man, can I take this eagle baby to my home? So the old man said yes, you can take it, no problem. मेरे को भी तो मिला ही था, मैंने कौन सा खरीद के लेकर आया, लेकर जा सकते हैं आप लोग. So the man took that eagle baby to his house. वो अपने घर पे लेकर आया ईगल के बेबी को. उसने उसको एक पिंजरे में रखा उसको and started feeding it. And every day he used to take that eagle baby and he used to keep it on the table. And he used to talk to that eagle baby and he used to tell that eagle baby in his own language, you are an eagle baby and you deserve to fly very high in the sky. Go and fly in the sky. Fly in the sky. Fly in the sky. And that eagle baby used to do nothing. वो eagle का जो baby था वो कभी कुछ नहीं करता था. Every day that man used to take that eagle baby and used to put it on the table and used to talk to that table. You used to talk to that bird and it used to say, that man used to say that you are an eagle baby. Please go high in the sky and fly. But the eagle baby was completely nervous. He never used to do anything. One day the man got frustrated and that man took that eagle baby to the mountain. उसने एक mountain पे लेकर गया उसको. And after taking that onto the mountain, that eagle baby, he said, you are an eagle baby. You deserve to fly high in the sky. Please fly, please fly. That eagle baby was getting shrinking. It was shrinking again and again with his feathers. अपने पर को, अपने wings को वो shrink कर रहा था. कौन? Eagle baby. At last, finally, what the man did? The man tried to fling it in the sky. उसने उसको हवा में ऐसे फेंक दिया. He just tried to make him fly to the eagle baby. वो उसने eagle baby को ऐसा हवा में फेंका उड़ाने के लिए. That eagle baby tried and put the feather in his arms. उसने अपने feather arms में छुपा लिया. And close the eyes. किसने? ईगल बेबी ने. जब उसने वो आदमी ने उसको उड़ाया हाथ में से, पहाड़ पे से, माउंटेन से. So that eagle baby frozen the wings and put it into his arms and closed the eyes. उसने अपनी आंखें बंद कर लिया. And after a certain period of time, when the eagle baby felt that I didn't touch the ground yet, and it opened the eyes little bit. उसने क्या किया? जब उसने देखा कि अरे यार मैं अभी तक गिरा नहीं, उसने थोड़ा सा आंख खोल के देखा. उसने देखा कि अभी जमीन बहुत ज्यादा नीचे थी. That the land was far away from the height. That eagle baby tried to fly. अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर अपन अगर स्विमिंग पूल में गिरते या फिर नदी में गिरते तो अपन क्या करते हैं? ऐसे डूबते क्या? मरू तो माला आता है. डूबते क्या?
No.
अपन ट्राई करते. We try. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We try. वो ईगल बेबी ने भी ट्राई किया. अरे यार मैं मरने से अच्छा उड़ता हूं. That eagle baby tried and started flying, flying, and it went very high in the sky. And from there, that eagle baby saluted with his bowing head to the man. वहां से उसने नजरें झुकाया, गर्दन ऐसे नीचे किया और वो आदमी को उसने सैल्यूट किया. कौन सा आदमी को? वो मैन को जिसने उसको फेंका था. Why? Because you have shown me my own identity. I was the eagle baby who has to fly high in the sky. Who has to fly high in the sky. And I was just eating grains with the chickens on the land. आप मैं जमीन पे चूकते बैठा था एड़े के ऐसा, और मेरी आसमान में जगह थी, और मैं क्या कर रहा था? जमीन पे था. So the moral of the story is what, my dear? Everyone in the world has a good quality to go high in the sky. So please spread up your wing and try to fly. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
तो कभी भी याद रखो, हर एक को ऊपर वाले ने एक क्वालिटी दिया है. आप लोग वो ईगल बेबी के जैसे हैं. आप सभी लोग वो ईगल बेबी के जैसे हैं. आप लोग अभी थोड़ा ट्राई नहीं कर रहे हैं, बट जस्ट ट्राई. जब आप लोग ट्राई करेंगे, यू विल go upper, higher in the sky. अभी आप लोग जमीन के ऊपर इसको मार, उसको मार, इसके साथ खेल, उसके साथ खेल. अभी आप लोग इसके उसके साथ में खेल रहे हैं. ये सुनो, आप लोग का एक्चुअली पोजीशन वो है हाई इन द स्काई, और आप लोग अभी लैंड के ऊपर खेल रहे हैं. आई वॉन्ट यू टू स्पीक अप. इज दैट क्लियर? मैं चाहता हूं आप लोग बोलें. जब बोलेंगे आप लोग, यू विल फ्लाई हाई इन द स्काई. So the moral of the story is what? God has given everyone a good quality. Please try to get that quality in yourself and try to consume it and try to make it much more better, that you can speak up much more better and you can perform the world what you are exactly. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Rasna ma'am?
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this is what everyone has the good quality. Okay, Shivdas, Pradeep, Karthik, everyone has the good quality and has to perform. जब वो परफॉर्म करेगा वो खुद उड़ना स्टार्ट होगा. सो वो ईगल बेबी कहाँ था और अभी कहाँ है, तो वैसे ही आप लोग भी अभी कहाँ है और आप लोग को जाना कहाँ है. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट यू टू गो विथ योरसेल्फ. ओके, लेट्स कंटिन्यू. आई होप यू लव द स्टोरी and you're
Yes.
going to learn from the story.
Yeah, sir. So much.
Very good. All right, has to. Can you please give me some sentences? So this is what exactly have to. All right, I have to do this, you have to go there, we have to be there, she has to work hard, it has to climb a mountain, you have to prove yourself, you have to be there, you have to climb the mountain, you have to prove yourself, you have to prove yourself. Yes, can you please give me some sentences like this? Have to.
I have
Yes. Yes, good to
I
continue.
I
I have to study more than yesterday.
Very good.
Have I study? Have I study more than yesterday?
Nine. Now please pay attention. Have to, we are using have to for obligation, okay? Have to. So question will be like this, statement will be like this. I have to. For example, I have to, I have to, I have to, I
Pay
have to make
attention.
career. Yes?
Pay attention in the class.
Okay. I have to pay attention in the class. Question, do I have to pay attention? Okay, यहाँ पे have I to नहीं आएगा. Do I have to pay attention? A negative, I
Haven't. Don't.
I
don't
don't.
have to.
So why there is a put do?
Why there is do? Because it is what have to, it is like one word. And in this such kind of sentences, we are going to use their do. Okay? For example, I'll give you an example. मैं आपको एक example देता हूँ. Simple present tense. I go to school. Question?
Go to school.
No.
Do.
Do I go to school? क्या मैं school जाता हूँ? Do I go to school? And negative?
I don't
I
go to
don't.
I don't go to school. It is the same that do I. ये modal auxiliary है, question के लिए use करते हैं. Do I? So I have to. Do I have to go there? I don't have to go there. Same case. He has to. He has to. Can you please give me a sentence? He has to. उसको करना ही पड़ेगा. He has to.
Complete homework.
Yes.
He has to complete homework.
He has to complete homework. Question.
do has.
Does
Does he?
he have to complete homework? And negative?
He doesn't
He
have.
doesn't. Correct. He doesn't have to complete homework. Okay?
Sir,
So अब यहाँ पर doesn't के अंदर अब देखो मैं आपको एक और चीज दिखाता हूँ. अब आप लोग बोलेंगे यार ही के साथ में हैज टू लगता है, राइट? तो यहाँ पे हैव टू कैसे आया? यस नो?
yes.
Yes.
Yes,
ऑलरेडी
sir.
इधर यस लगा है. एक ही वर्ब के अंदर अपने को एस और ईएस लगाना है. यस नो? ही शीट वर्ब प्लस एस और ईएस. यस नो?
Yes, sir.
सो एक वर्ब के अंदर खाली एस और ईएस लगेगा, दूसरे वाले में लगेगा नहीं. सेम केस, आई गो टू स्कूल. करेक्ट? आई गो टू स्कूल. आई गो टू स्कूल. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस याद आ रहा है? मैंने आप लोगों को कराया था. आई गो टू स्कूल एंड ही
Goes to school.
करेक्ट, ही गोज टू स्कूल. सो एक ही वर्ब के अंदर एस और यस लगता है. यस नो?
Yes, sir.
करेक्ट. हियर इट इज. आई गो टू स्कूल एंड ही गोज टू स्कूल. आई विद वर्ब प्लस नो एस नो ईएस. ही शीट वर्ब प्लस एस और ईएस. प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा आप लोगों को. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस अपन ने किया है, घर पे जाना है आज वापस से वो सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस के वीडियोस को वापस देखो एंड जस्ट प्रैक्टिस एट होम. ओके?
Sir,
I have to pay attention. Do I have to pay attention? I don't have to pay attention. He has to complete the work. Does he have to complete the work? He doesn't have to complete the work. Yes?
only one syllable word को put करेंगे ना do.
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है.
फिर
ऐसा कुछ भी syllable का कुछ नहीं है उसके अंदर. Nothing is there about syllable. Everything is about the verb. He, she, it, verb plus s or es. I, you, they, verb plus no s, no es. Syllable का कुछ नहीं है उसमें.
सर do का नहीं समझो, और एक बार समझाना.
अभी देखो सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस अपन जो बनाते हैं सेंटेंस, आई गो टू स्कूल. करेक्ट?
हाँ.
उसका क्वेश्चन कैसे बनेगा? गो आई टू स्कूल ऐसे तो होता नहीं. कभी सुना है कि आपने गो आई टू स्कूल?
No.
नहीं. उसका क्वेश्चन होता है डू आई गो टू स्कूल. अभी आपने सुना रहेगा डू यू लाइक मैंगोज. सुना है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
वैसे ये डू यू लाइक मैंगोज मतलब यानी कि आपको मैंगोज पसंद है. सो उसका स्टेटमेंट क्या आएगा? आई लाइक मैंगोज. राइट?
क्या?
Question, do I like mangoes or you like mangoes? Do you like mangoes? Negative.
You don't like me.
You don't.
Correct. You don't like mangoes. ओके, इट इज वेरी सिंपल. ये बहुत ही सिंपल टर्मिनोलॉजी है. सेंटेंस का स्टेटमेंट क्वेश्चन बनाना है अपने को. सो you like mangoes, question, do you like mangoes, negative, you don't like mangoes. Okay, same case. अब मुझे बनाना है सेंटेंस, he likes mangoes. Okay, question,
Does he like mangoes?
करेक्ट. अभी डू का क्या हो जाएगा? क्वेश्चन
Yes.
पूछने के लिए डू लगाते हैं अपन क्वेश्चन किसके लिए पूछते हैं? डू लगा के. सो डज ही, अभी वर्ब प्लस एस और ईएस, यस नो, तो अभी डज के अंदर ऑलरेडी ईएस आ गया है. अब उसके अंदर सेकंड वर्ब में अपने को लगाना है क्या एस और ईएस?
No, sir. Mango.
डज ही लाइक
Mango.
मैंगोज, नेगेटिव,
He doesn't like it.
Like mangoes.
correct, he doesn't like mangoes. So doesn't के अंदर already es is there, so can we put their es in the second verb?
No.
Is that clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए अपन डू लगाते हैं उधर, बाकी कुछ भी नहीं है. जब भी आप लोगों को सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस के अंदर क्वेश्चन पूछने का रहेगा तो अपन डू से पूछते हैं. अब यहाँ पे डू का अगर आप लोग बोले ट्रांसलेशन करते क्या, नहीं, ट्रांसलेशन नहीं होता है लैंग्वेज का. ट्रांसलेशन करेंगे तो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा वो. ओके, सो सेम केस. अभी अपने को क्वेश्चन बनाना है यहाँ पर. सो आई हैव टू गो, आई हैव टू पे अटेंशन, डू आई हैव टू पे अटेंशन, आई डोंट हैव टू पे अटेंशन. नेक्स्ट वन, he has to complete the work, does he have to complete the work, he doesn't have to complete the work. So I want you to make sentences with I have to now first. Can you please make sentences with I have to? Yes, I have to. Ma'am, start please.
I have to bath daily. Do I have to bath daily? I don't have to bath daily.
Yes,
I have to take the medicine. Do I have to take the medicines? I don't have to take the medicines.
very good. Next. Yes,
I have to eat everything in my plate. Do I have to eat everything in my plate? I don't have to eat everything in my plate.
very good.
I have to work daily. Do I have to work daily? I don't have to work daily.
Very good. Yes,
I have
Yes.
to win the match. Do I have to win the match? I don't have to win the match.
very good. Yes, continue.
We have to notice government guidelines. Do we have to notice government guidelines? We don't have to notice government guidelines.
Very good. Miss Chaitali, Mr. Shivdas, Mr. Ankit, Mr. Guddu, make sentences.
I have to work daily. Do I have to work daily? I don't have to work daily.
Very good.
I have
Yes,
to eat
continue.
healthy. Do I have to eat healthy? I don't have to eat healthy.
Very
I
good.
have. Hello, sir.
Yes, Ankit.
I have only 6 nails.
Now तो नहीं है, हाँ have तसला नहीं है दोस्त. हाँ has तसला नहीं है, हाँ दूसरा have है. I have to. Have to. Yes.
I have
have-
to do exercise daily. Do I have to exercise daily? I don't have to exercise daily.
Very good.
I have to
do
punch in daily. Do I have to punch in daily? I don't have to punch in daily.
Very good.
I have to learn from nature. Do I have to learn from nature? I don't have to learn from nature.
Very good.
I have to revise everything. Do I have to revise everything? I don't have to revise everything.
Very good.
I have to work on project. Do I have work on? Do I have work on the project? I don't have work on the project.
Very good. I have to work on the
I
project.
have
Do I
to
have to
clean my room. I
Yes,
have to
continue.
clean my room. Do I have to clean my room? I don't have to clean my room.
Very good.
I have to get good marks. Do I get to good marks? I don't have to good marks.
I have to study better exam.
Yes, continue.
I have to work better yesterday. Do I have to work better yesterday? I don't have to work better yesterday.
I have to work for
Have
better yesterday. Do I have to work for better yesterday? I don't have to work for better yesterday.
I
Verb.
have work on I have
I
work
have
on SOB. Do I
no,
have
my
work on
dear. I
SOB?
have to. I have to.
Yes, sir. I have to work on SOB. Do I have do I have work on to the SOP? I don't have to work on SOP.
Very good.
I have to contribute from my side. Do I have to contribute from my side? I don't have to contribute from my side.
Very good.
I have to give permission. Do I have to give permission? I don't have to give permission.
Good.
I have to wear a mask. Do I have to wear a mask? I don't have to wear a mask.
Very good. Can you please make some sentences now with he, she? He has to. Does he have to? He doesn't have to. She has to. Does she have to? She doesn't have to.
He has
He
to do
has
internship. He has to do internship. Does he have to do internship? He doesn't have to do internship.
Very good.
She has to
he
learn
has to
car.
collect the money.
Does she have learn car? She doesn't have to learn car.
Very good. Yes.
He has to grow knowledge. Does he have to grow knowledge? He doesn't have to grow knowledge.
Very good. Yes. Continue.
She has to go shopping. Does she have to go shopping? She doesn't have to go shopping.
Very good.
He
She
has
has
to
to come. She has to complete his work. Does she has to complete his work? She doesn't have has to complete his work. Have to complete his work.
Have to. Next. Miss Chaitali, make sentences.
He
Shivdas
has to collect the money. Does he has to collect? Does
have.
he have to collect the money? He
She
doesn't
doesn't have.
have to collect the money.
See, you will face a little problem there while making sentences with these things. But you have to try. Okay, you have to try. Keep on trying. Keep on trying. Yes, go to make sentences.
Yes, sir. He has
He
to
has to
pay the
think.
fee. Does he has to pay the fee? He doesn't have to pay the fee.
Very good.
He has to think right. Does he have to think right? He doesn't have to think right.
Good. Next.
He has to ability to do work. Does he have to ability to do work? He doesn't have to ability to do work.
He has the ability to do work. Does he have to the ability to do work? He doesn't have the ability to do work. Okay. Can you make some
She
sentences?
has to win the competition. Does she have to win the competition? She doesn't have to win the competition.
Very good. Next.
He has to get the opportunity. Does he have to get the opportunity? He doesn't have to get the opportunity.
Very good.
She has to
Yes.
pay money. Does she have to pay money? She doesn't have to pay money.
Very good.
He has to go there. Does he have to go there? He doesn't have to go there.
Very good. Yes. Continue. Yes.
He has to do preparation. Does he have to do preparation? He doesn't have to do preparation.
Good. Next.
She has to attend the lecture. Does she have to attend the lecture? She doesn't have to attend the lecture.
Very good. Can you please make sentence with it has to? Guddu, you're so quiet, huh? Guddu, please make sentences. Shivdas, Pradeep, Karthik, it has to. Yes, Ankit, make sentences, please. It has to. See, please, all of you unmute yourself first of all. Unmute yourself. All of you unmute yourself first. Don't be so quiet. Unmute yourself faster. Yes.
Has
Make
to
sentences.
wash his car. Does he has to wash his car? Uh, it doesn't has to wash its car.
It doesn't have to wash the car. Next.
It has to need run fast. Does it it have to run need fast? It doesn't have to need run fast.
No, you can say directly. It has to run fast. Does it have to run fast? It doesn't have to run fast.
Okay.
It has
Yes.
to grow fast. Does he have to grow fast? He doesn't have to grow fast. It
Very good.
doesn't have to grow.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
It has to go buy a new car. Does he does it have to has to
Does it have to buy a new car?
car? It doesn't have to buy a new car.
Buy a new car. Next. It has to. Guddu.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Continue. Make sentences, please.
It has to take part. Does it have to take part? It doesn't have to take part.
Very good.
It has to charge in 10 minutes. Does it have to charge in 10 minutes? It doesn't have to charge in 10 minutes.
Very good. Next.
It has to work hard. Does it have to work hard? It doesn't have to work hard.
Okay, I think you are unable to make sentences good with it. Some of the people are making very, very good sentences. I want you to make sentences now with you have to. You have to, do you have to, you don't have to. Yes, you have to.
You have to collect the reward. Do you have to collect the reward? You don't have to collect the reward.
Very good.
You have to
Yes.
prepare.
You
You have
have
to
to
join the class. Don't have to join the class. Don't have to join the class.
Very good.
you have to positive attitude. Do you have to positive attitude? You don't have to positive attitude.
No, ma'am.
You have to
Listen,
begin
listen here.
preparation.
Have to
I
plus
have
verb will be there. You have to pay. You have to cook. You have to have positive attitude. You have to grow positive attitude. You have to increase. You have to pay. You have to complete. You have to go. You have to come. Like this, you have to make sentences. Have to plus verb. Okay. Have to has
Yes,
to
sir.
plus verb. Verb first form. Continue.
You have to grow your positive attitude. Do you have to grow your positive attitude? You don't have to grow your positive attitude.
Yes.
You have to improve yourself. Do you have to improve yourself? You don't have to improve yourself.
Very good. Next.
have to begin preparation. You don't have to begin preparation.
Very good. Continue.
You have to push yourself. Do you have to push yourself? You don't have to push yourself.
Very good. Yes.
You have to tell him. You have to tell him. You don't have to tell him.
You don't have to tell him. Yes, you have to.
You have to learn in the class. Do you have to learn in the class? You don't have to learn in the class.
Very good. Next, you have to. See, sentence, make some sentences powerful sentences. Okay. For example, आपको एक करना ही पड़ेगा. You have to take the exam. You have to respect your elders. You have to practice at home. You have to make food for him. You have to survive. You have to take oxygen. You have to take medicine. आपको लेना ही पड़ेगा वरना may God help you. Yes.
You have to go for college.
You have to go to college. Do you have to go to college? You don't have to go to college. Yes.
फॉर कब लगा था आपने एक बार फॉर बोला था यू हैव टू गो फॉर
नहीं मैंने ऐसे नहीं बोला रहेगा. You have to go to college ही आता है, for आता ही नहीं है दोस्त. आपने कौन सी कब सुना था ऐसा?
नेक्स्ट टाइम पिछली बार है ना, मैंने जब सेंटेंस बोलता आपने बोलते फॉर किस लिए तो बोलते थे, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर.
No. We can't say I go for college. I go to college, we say. We don't say for college.
You have to go to college. Do you have to go to college? You don't have to go to college.
Very good. Continue.
You have to come in any situation. Do you have to come in any situation? You don't have to come in any situation.
You have to
Very
pray
good.
for God. Do you have to pray for God? You don't have to pray for God.
Very good.
You have to pay for him. Do you have to pay for him? You don't have to pay for him.
Good. Yes. Yes.
You have to drink the milk. Do you have to drink the milk? You don't
don't
have to drink the milk.
Very good. Continue, please. You have to. Karthik, Shivdas, Guddu, Ankit, Pradeep.
You have to Braho. Do you have to Braho? You don't have to Braho.
Very good.
What do you mean Braho?
You
You have to be bravo.
You
The
have to.
extra
Means
sham. Yes, continue.
You have to approve all the documents. Do you have to approve all the documents? You don't have to approve all the documents.
Very good. Can you please make sentences with we? Ma'am, please make sentences with we. We have to. Do we have to? We don't have to.
We have to do work hard. Do we have to do work hard? We don't have to do work hard.
Very good.
we have to wake up early in the morning. Do we have to wake up early in the morning? We don't have to wake up early in the morning.
Very good.
We have to arrange the farewell party. Do we have to arrange the farewell party? We don't have to arrange the farewell party.
Very good.
We have to close the matter. Do we have to close the matter? We don't have to close the matter.
Very good.
we have to
We have
team meeting. Do you have to team meeting? We don't have to team meeting.
My dear, word कहाँ पर है
We
वहाँ पे?
have
We
to
have
go.
to. We have to conduct a team meeting. Do we have to conduct a team meeting? We don't have to conduct a team meeting. Verb चाहिए मुझे. Have to के बाद में verb चाहिए verb.
We
Yes,
have
Miss Chaitali.
class.
Miss Chaitali.
We have to win the match. Do we have to win the match? We don't have to win the match.
Good.
We have to attend the class. Do we have to attend the class? We don't have to attend the class.
Have
Good.
to meet the principal. Do I have to do we have to meet the principal? I don't. We have to
Don't have to.
meet the principal.
Good. Yes.
We have to throw garbage in the box. Do we have to throw garbage in the box? We don't have to throw garbage in the box.
We have to wear mask. Do we have to wear mask? We don't have to wear mask.
Very good.
We have to use the sanitizer. Do we have to use the sanitizer? We don't have to use sanitizer.
Can we say a sanitizer?
यानी liquid होता sir? No.
No, sir.
We have to use sanitizer. Do we have to use sanitizer? We don't have to use sanitizer.
मैंने वो बोला
Yes. Yes.
sir.
Yes. Continue. Yes. Continue.
We have to go to school. Do we have to go to school?
We don't have
go
to.
to school.
Yes. Can you please make sentence with they have to also? Make sentence with they have to as well. Shivdas, Karthik. They have to.
They have to read books. Do they have to read books? They don't have to read books.
Very good.
They have to feed the animals. Do they have to feed the animals? They don't have to feed the animals.
Very good.
They have to pay fee. Do they have to pay fee? They don't have to pay fee.
The fee. Yes, continue. They have to.
They have to learn English.
Do they?
Do they have to learn English?
Very good. They don't have to.
They don't have to learn English.
Very good. Very good. Continue, please. All of you, please continue. Miss Chaitali, Mr. Guddu, Mr. Pradeep, ma'am,
They
They
have
they
to.
have
have
to
to.
they have to help the orphans. Do they have to help the orphans? They don't have to help the orphans.
Very good.
They have to win the combat. They
Correct.
do they have to win the combat? They don't have to win the combat.
Very good.
They have to do some charity. Do they have to do some charity? They don't have to do some charity.
Very good.
They have to help other people. Do they have to help other people? They don't have to help other people.
Very good.
They have to make arrangement. Do they have to make arrangement? They don't have to make arrangement.
Very good. They have to. Yes, they have to.
They'll have to lead in the party. Do they have to lead in the party? They don't have to lead in the party.
Very good. Yes, continue. Hello. Continue, please.
They have to be possessive. Do they have to be possessive? They don't have to be possessive.
Very good.
They have to see resonance.
Do they have to?
Do they have to see resonance? They don't have to see resonance.
Very good. Yes, continue, please.
They have to be thankful to God. They don't have to be thankful to God. They don't have to be thankful to God.
Very good.
They have to handle the situation carefully. Do they have to handle the situation carefully? They don't have to handle the situation carefully.
Very good.
They have to quiet in class. We, sir,
Continue, continue.
सर मेरी प्रॉब्लम है
Yeah, please.
सर मैं सच में नहीं समझा वो लाइक्स एंड डस के बारे में सेंटेंस बनाने नहीं आ रहे हैं मेरे को।
आपने सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस प्रैक्टिस किया था घर पर?
यस सर
वेरी गुड। अब सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस के अंदर अपन कैसे बनाते हैं सेंटेंस ध्यान दीजिए।
डेली
सिंपल
रूटीन
प्रेजेंट टेंस के अंदर अभी हर बार देखो इंग्लिश के अंदर क्या होता है कि हर बार अपन सेम सेंटेंस का सेम क्वेश्चन बनता नहीं है। पहली बात तो ये है। अभी मुझे अगर इंग्लिश में बोलना है मुझे मैंगो पसंद है, मैं क्या बोलूंगा? आई
Like mango.
लाइक मैंगोस। करेक्ट, सिंपल।
मैंगोस
अब मुझे बोलना है क्या मुझे मैंगो पसंद है, इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे उसको?
क्या सर
क्या मुझे मैंगो पसंद है, इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे इसको?
आई लाइक मैंगो
Do I like
इंग्लिश
mango?
में करेक्ट क्या बोलेंगे वहां पर?
मैं आपको क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा तो
हाँ, क्या मुझे मैंगो पसंद है, कैसे पूछेंगे अपन?
डू आई लाइक मैंगो
करेक्ट। डू क्यों यूज किया अभी यहाँ पर?
क्योंकि लाइक ही एक ये सर डू यूज कर सकते हैं
हाँ, क्वेश्चन के लिए यूज कर दे अभी अपन वहां पर। डू आई लाइक मैंगोज, क्या मुझे मैंगोज पसंद है? डू आई लाइक मैंगोज, क्या मुझे मैंगोज पसंद है? एंड नेगेटिव
आई डोंट
I don't like mangoes.
आई डोंट लाइक। अभी आई डोंट लाइक मैंगोज, अभी अपने को नेगेटिव में अगर बोलना है, अगर मेरे को डोंट यूज ही नहीं करना है तो मैं नेगेटिव कैसे सेंटेंस बना सकता हूँ क्या मैं?
नो
वहां पे यूज करना पड़ेगा। तो डू जो है वो मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी है जो कि क्वेश्चन के लिए यूज करते हैं इंग्लिश में। पॉइंट नंबर 1। सेम केस, अभी सेंटेंस मुझे बनाना है ही के साथ में, तो मैं क्या बोलूंगा सेंटेंस में? ही लाइक्स मैंगोज, बराबर। ही शी इट वर्ब प्लस एस और ईएस, राइट? गुड्डू प्लीज आंसर मी।
यस सर
हाँ यहाँ पे ध्यान दो पहले.
मैं
He
आपको-
likes mangoes, correct? He, she, it, verb plus s और es. इतना तो याद है ना अपने वो सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में किया था.
Yes,
वेरी गुड. क्वेश्चन पूछना है तो कैसे याद कैसे पूछेंगे उधर? डू ही लाइक मैंगोज? यस और नो?
लाइक में यस आया था तो इसलिए ना ही शीट
हाँ, ही शीट के साथ में लाइक के अंदर ऐसा है, बराबर.
इसलिए डज आया.
करेक्ट. अभी जब क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे तो डू कौन है? वर्ब है कि नहीं?
Yeah.
उसके अंदर es लगाया.
Yes, sir.
अभी एक ही वर्ब के अंदर es लगाना है, दूसरे में लगाने का नहीं. डज ही लाइक मैंगोज? क्या उसको मैंगोज पसंद है? एंड नेगेटिव,
Doesn't.
ही डजंट लाइक मैंगोज. सिंपल. बहुत सिंपल चीज है, बहुत सिंपल. आपको सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का खाली प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा घर पर, तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि फंडा क्या है ये. सो आई यू विद वर्ब प्लस नो एस नो ईएस, ही शी इट वर्ब प्लस एस और ईएस. दैट्स इट. ओके.
Yeah.
Same case. Now the next one we are heading towards, and that's what? Dare to. When do we use dare to?
Dairy and
For
Challenge.
for challenges. Okay. Dare to का मतलब क्या होता है? पहली बात तो मेरे को वो बोलो. What do you mean by dare to? Yes.
डेयरिंग करना.
Dare to का daring करना. Very good. Daring करना. Okay. Now dare to का मतलब होता है daring करना. अभी मैं daring करता हूँ. अब मैं कैसे बोल सकता हूँ? For example, I dare to. मतलब मैं daring करता हूँ. I dare to. मैं daring करता हूँ. I dare to. I dare to jump high. मैं उड़ी हाई उड़ी मारने की, हाई जंप करने की डेयरिंग करता हूँ. I dare to jump high. Next one. You dare to. Can you please give me sentences with challenges? चैलेंज के लिए यूज होता है ये dare to. अभी अपन बोलते हैं ना, मैं ये करने की हिम्मत रखता हूँ. You dare to call
I dare to
him
speak for.
at night. Next. We dare to. Yes. Repeat your sentence. We dare to.
We dare to speak foreigner.
We dare to speak
Foreigner.
like foreigners. Right?
Like foreigner.
हम लोग डायरेक्ट हिम्मत करते हैं किसके से बोलने की? फॉरेनर्स लोगों के ऐसे बात करने की. यस और नो? सो वी डेयर टू स्पीक लाइक फॉरेनर्स. नेक्स्ट. दे डेयर टू. सेंटेंस. दे डेयर टू.
Fight the people.
दे डेयर टू
मीट लायन.
बीट लायन. ओके. दे डेयर टू फाइट विथ पीपल. वो लोग हिम्मत रखते हैं लोगों से झगड़ा करने की. सेम केस. आई यू विद ए वर्ब प्लस नो एस नो ईएस. ही शी इट वर्ब प्लस एस और ईएस. ही डेयर टू का क्या हो जाएगा?
Yes.
Dares to. He dares to. Question. Sentences please. Sentences. He dares to.
Does he dare?
Yeah. No. Sentence please. He dares to. He dares to.
He dares to fight a corona. Corona, sorry.
Okay. He dares to fight
Corona.
corona. Next. She dares to. ती हिम्मत करतेस. ती डेअरिंग करतेस. काय? कसली? कसली डेअरिंग? She dares to slap him. Next. It dares to. It dares to. It dares to. It dares to grow more. It dares to grow more. वो हिम्मत करता है और ज्यादा ऊंचा बढ़ने की. It dares to grow more. So dare to will become dares to. Is that clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So when do we use dare to? For challenges. Okay. I dare to do this. I dare to do that. I dare to go there. I dare to come here. मैं हिम्मत करता हूँ. मैं हिम्मत करता हूँ. So dare to. He dares to. Next. She dares to. It dares to. Okay. We dare to. You dare to. They dare to. Is that clear? So statement, question, negative. For example, I dare to. Sentence please. I dare to speak English. मैं हिम्मत करता हूँ इंग्लिश बोलने का. I dare to speak English fluently. Question.
Do I dare to speak English?
Correct. Do I dare to? Do I dare to speak English? Negative.
I don't dare.
I don't dare to.
I don't dare to speak English. इसका एक और नेगेटिव है. We have one more negative. I don't dare to or I daren't speak English. यहाँ पे to नहीं लगेगा. I daren't speak English. We don't have to put there to. Is that clear?
Yes.
We can say both the times. दोनों तरीके से अपन बोल सकते हैं. I don't dare to or I daren't. Any doubts to anyone?
सर
Yes.
ऐसा कुछ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में ही लगाने का डू ना सेंटेंस में.
Right. सेम केस. अभी मैं देखो एक बार सेंटेंस बना रहा हूँ ही का. ओके. He dares to. He dares to. Okay. He dares to. He dares to climb a mountain. He dares to climb a mountain. Question.
Does he dare?
Does he?
Correct.
First he dares to climb a mountain.
He dares to climb a mountain. Question. Does he dare to climb a mountain? And negative.
He doesn't.
He doesn't dare.
Correct. He doesn't dare to climb a mountain. Any doubts?
No sir.
बहुत सिंपल है. बहुत सिंपल है. I dare to म्हणजे मी हिम्मत करतो. मैं डेअरिंग करता हूँ. I dare to do this. Do I dare to do that? I don't dare to do this. Okay. बहुत सिंपल है. I dare to. Do I dare to? I don't dare to. Okay. I dare to help him. Do I dare to help him? I don't dare to help him. Or he daren't. He daren't climb a mountain. He daren't climb a mountain. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No sir.
Please practice at home. Practice at home. थोड़ा सा टफ है मुझे पता है. I know it is a little tough, but you have to practice at home. I dare to. Do I dare to? I don't dare to. I dare to. Do I dare to? I don't dare to. Can you please give me some sentence with I dare to? मैं हिम्मत करता हूँ. I dare to. Yes, I dare to.
I dare to climb on tree. Do I dare to climb on tree? I don't dare to climb on tree.
Very good.
I dare to run fast. Do I dare to run fast? I daren't run fast.
Very good.
I dare to swim in river. Do I dare to swim in river? I daren't swim. I daren't swim in river.
I dare to
Very
you speak. Do I dare to speak?
very good.
Do I dare to speak you? I don't dare to you speak.
I don't dare to speak to you.
I don't dare to speak to you.
Very good. Continue. Continue.
I dare to fight with him. Do I dare to fight with him? I daren't fight with him.
Very good.
I dare to fight enemies. Do I dare to fight enemies? I don't dare to fight enemies.
Very good. I dare to.
I dare to take part in competition. Do I dare to take part in competition? I don't dare to take part in competition.
Very good. Continue, please.
I dare to write autobiography. Do I dare to write autobiography? I don't dare to write autobiography.
Very nice.
I dare.
Shivdas.
I dare to.
Ankit.
I dare to speak loudly. I don't dare to speak loudly.
Very good. I dare to speak loudly. Yes. Continue.
I dare to cook food. Do I dare to cook food? I don't dare to cook food.
Very good. Next.
I dare to climb a tree. Do I dare to climb a tree? I daren't climb a tree.
Very good.
I dare to catch the ball. Do I dare to catch the ball? I don't dare to catch the ball.
Very good. Pradeep, Shivdas, Guddu.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I dare to listen truth. Do I dare to listen truth? I don't dare to listen truth.
I dare to game. I dare to playing cricket.
Yes.
I dare to playing cricket. I don't dare to play cricket.
I dare to speak loudly. Do I dare to speak loudly? I daren't speak loudly.
Very good.
I dare to deal the
I
people.
dare
Do I? I
Yes.
dare to deal the people. Do I dare to deal the people? I don't dare to deal the paper.
Very good.
I dare to watch horror movie. Do I dare to watch horror movie? I don't dare to watch horror movie.
Very good. Yes, Guddu, make sentences. Ma'am, make sentences.
I dare to sing song. Do I dare to sing song? I don't dare to sing song.
Very good. I dare to sing songs.
I dare to
Yes.
swim. Do I dare to swim? I don't dare to swim.
Very good. I dare to swim. Yes.
I dare to fight corona. Do I dare to fight corona? I don't dare to fight corona.
Very good. Miss Chaitali.
I dare talk to. I dare talk to foreigner. Do I dare to talk foreigner? I don't dare to talk foreigner.
Talk to foreigners.
Talk to
I
foreigner.
dare to talk to foreigners. Next.
I dare to bet the match. Do I dare to bet the match? I don't dare to bet the match.
Very good. Next.
I dare to win the match. Do I dare to win the match? I don't dare to win the match.
Very good. Next. Continue. I dare to. Yes, continue, please.
I dare to speak in front of many people. Do I dare
I
to
dare
speak in front of many people? I daren't speak in front of many people.
Very good. All right. We are going to continue this tomorrow once again. See, I think you are not practicing at home. इसको practice थोड़ा करना पड़ेगा. थोड़ा tough है. I know it is a little tough, but you have to practice at home. Is that clear? You have to practice at home because it will give you great charm of learning a language. So please go and watch the videos. If you haven't watched it yet, please go and watch the old videos, and especially for simple present tense and the other tenses too. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me directly. All right? And please keep on practicing at home. If you don't practice, then may God
Okay,
help
sir.
you. Yeah, please practice at home. Dare to. We are going to continue this dare to tomorrow once again. All right?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Cheerio.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Cheers.